Hello everyone, welcome to my comfy couch, here with a bunch of stuffed animals. We got Ghostface, Kuromi, Cinnamoroll, my Melody, and we have good old Miku back here. Alright, so today's video is gonna be Cindy the Cat reacting to memes, so might as well get to it. Alright, let's react to the first meme.
Oh man, now that looks good. What are you doing? Where's the whipped cream going? I don't understand what's happening. Where? Not the peanuts. Why are you doing this? The caramel. Okay, that's okay. The caramel, we've got sprinkles and ice cream. We're good with that. You're not gonna take the sprinkles away? No, don't do it.
That was good, oh my god. Oh, jeez. Got that Mew in me. So cute. Oh, that's adorable. I love that. That's so cute. Literally me, though. What? Why? What? Why? Why? Why does the furry fandom do this? Nah. Oh my god. Oh, that's cute. Foxy's like so over it. Oh my god. I would probably be Glamrock Bonnie. Like, that's so me. Stop sending me this shit. What? Who made this? What? I mean, they look alike. I mean, nah, that's just the same photo side by side. I don't see a difference. I may be stupid. I honestly don't know. I don't know either. Oh my god. Oh my god. How is Dilu clueless of this? And then Kaya just... Kaya being Kaya. Oh god. It's just pure chaos with Kaya, honestly. Ooh. Kaya's thinking about the wine. He's like, I don't know which one I should choose. I can't see shit. Oh goodness, that's funny. It looks like he's posing for Beto's Facebook. Oh jeez. Imagine him on Beto's Facebook and just tons of just like Kazuha. Oh my god. Goro video call with Kokomi. Yeah, I can see that. Remember, when you bury a body, cover it with endangered plants so it's illegal to dig it up. Follow me for more gardening tips. What? Yo, comrades, I found this thing floating in the pond. Can we eat this? I am not emergency food, is what she would say. Hey, girly. Heard you talking smack about me. Oh my god. Like, I don't know what it is, but like, I feel like Tartagula is so yassified. Like, the way he talks, like, I don't... Listening to his voice lines in Genshin is just like so funny to me. Like, you're one of the girls. Oh my god, I love this Overwatch meme. This reminds me of like my friend and I, like when we play Overwatch, like I'm literally always the tank and then she's always the sniper. Like it's always the case. Oh my god, he's clueless. Genji and Diva, no, what did you do? Oh my god, Gojo and Suguru as cats. Alright guys, we're gonna switch to this side because the lighting is better over here, so we're gonna put the memes on this side. Alright, so, no entiendo. Oh my god, Cinnamoroll with the boots! Oh my god, there's art of it, that's so cute. You just insulted me? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Not the Captain Levi. When you're chasing someone through the house and you stub your toe. Yes. If I was a ghost face, then yeah. If this happened, that would absolutely end me. Oh my god. Leave. Takes an alpha male to handle a Latina. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. Oh my god, that's so cute. The silly. That's worse than the back rooms. Or honestly, I don't know if it's worse or better. Honestly. But if there was an entity and it would be the boy kisser, I'd be scared. Not gonna lie. Just, like, chasing me. Like, oh my god. That is scary. But, like, this is probably worse than the actual back. Me being Eepy? Yes, that is so me. Why do you think I chose a cat for my persona? I'm literally a cat. Like, I love taking naps. I love sleeping. Sleeping's amazing. Like, there's no doubt about that. Yeah.
Your baby?
Oh, look at that.
Eat your child.
Oh.
Whoa, okay.
Aw, that's so cute.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, it's so cute. I love FNAF so much. I was a FNAF kid since like 2016 or however long it came out. Like, man, it was such a long time ago, but like it was such good memories. Oh, away you going. Stay there.
Do something spooky.
A classic.
No one takes care of them anymore. Can we visit them sometime?
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
Oh my god.
Too early for this shit.
Oh my god, Bonnie's after you, dude. They're mad because it wasn't accurate to the lore. But it wasn't supposed to be accurate to the lore. It literally was supposed to be its own side movie, its own story. So like, I don't know. I was a little upset it wasn't part of the lore, but it was supposed to be its own story though, from what he said, so.
Whoa, he's in my office! Bro, get out.
A human called me a possum. I am not a possum. I am Maxine, the hottest, most popular girl at my school. And you are?
Your brother Miller. I like sports and fucking bitches.
I love Hell of a Boston Husband Hotel. Oh my god, they're so funny. Silly juice! I drink that every day! I love silly juice so much. Oh my god, I love silly juice. This is silly. I love silly juice. What? You being silly again. What fell? Oh my god. Oh, an eyelid fell. Okay guys, we're gonna take a water break. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, maybe considering subscribing. Just remember, be kind to others. You don't know what they're going through. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Mwah.